What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another vlog, man. Trucking with Harry. As you can see, man. Yeah, right now it's like 5:30 in the afternoon. Here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Man, boy. Guys, I've been to the junkyard. Man, I'm up from like 9 o'clock this morning. I'm tired, bro. So, let me show you. So this is my F150 here. It's a whole girl. So, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna change out this grill right here, man. Now this truck, guys, there's a lot of videos gonna come with this truck. You know, I'm gonna lift it. I'm thinking about do a body lift too. So, you know, I'll see. I'm thinking of do a body lift and a suspension lift. I want it to sit maybe like about 11 or 12 inches high. Right now, if you watch a previous video, I have like I think it's a 2.5 inch or 3 inch spacer right there. So yeah, I'm gonna lift it up. It's a lot of this truck gonna be like a project, man. You know, everyone who know me always say, well, damn Perry, man, you only show your like everyone who know me, they always say, damn Perry, you only show your white pearl love, man. You don't really show like your personal vehicles no love. So this is one of my personal truck. I got this truck from 2012. You know, it used to be a Ranger truck. This truck is from Texas. So I'm the second owner of this truck. So when I get it, you have like, I think you have like 30-something thousand miles on it. I know it was under 40,000 miles. Now it's over 250,000 miles on it. No problem. No problem. No transmission problem, nothing. So it's a good truck. So I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna change up a lot of stuff on this truck. A lot of stuff. But you guys will see. I'm gonna take you guys on that journey too. I have some new rims and everything. I'm gonna put 14 wide on it. It's gonna be different, guys. Bumper changing, front bumper changing, back bumper changing. I think I'm gonna replace those lights again to the different one. So, you know, I'm gonna maybe paint it up over too. So, it's a lot of stuff. No, I'm gonna delete all the chromes. I'm gonna delete all the chrome. I want everything to be black. Yeah, but yeah, guys. So this video now is like, you know, like I say, it's gonna be quick and easy. Change out this front grille right here. I'm gonna show you the grill. I'm putting it. Alright guys, so this is a new grill, you know, Raptor style. It's Something I pick up on eBay. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna change this out yet. Maybe to the all white. I don't know yet. I really like how this look. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna change it out to all white yet. I know I'm still gonna keep them humble. Or should I do all white? I don't know, guys. But I have to replace these. So that's a F right there. So the F and the O and the R. Yeah, this have to replace right here. So remove this, put the R right here. And that's a D. So Ford. These are the part numbers here. So it's from 2009 to 2014 F150. And this is the part number. Cover this up. That's the part number right there. Again, if you guys interested, you know, there's a lot of them on eBay and Amazon, all of type of stuff. So, alright, guys. So as you can see, hey, that's South Florida for you, man. So let me get this going. Change out these letters, and I'm gonna show you how to take off. Well, that's a aftermarket grill already, so I'm gonna show you how to take off that aftermarket grill. I'll remove them already, quick and fast. So this is the F right here. Got 4 screws. These Phillips heads. Take them out. Pop out those. Pop back in these letters. Screw it back down. That's it. Same thing go for the R. 4 screws. Pop out that. Pop in the R. And that's it. That's the average right there. So now is to take out that grill. Let us see what's going on for this grill. Alright, guys, like I said, this is a aftermarket grill. I changed this years ago, so I don't even remember exactly. You know, that's some information. You know, so it's a 2010 F150 and it's a 4x6 V8. So pretty much what I'm looking, guys, is I guess you have to replay. I guess you have to change this. Let me figure out this grill, guys. I'm gonna figure out this grill. Alright, guys, just like that. Hey, guys, I ain't gonna tell a lie, boy. That shit nice, boy. I ain't gonna bullshit, boy. That make your truck look different, bro. That let the truck look different, my boy. Ooh, that Raptor, man, that Raptor style grill. Now I know, now I see the reason why a lot of people run it, boy. God, that shit make the truck look different, man. Yeah, he's not all the way locked. Okay, I'm still gonna connect up these lights real quick. But guys, whew. Alright, guys, so yeah, everything is locked down. I strap it right there. I think I'm gonna put the next strap right here. But everything is good. So I run it right here, come through this hole right here. I go behind this, all the way down, come out right here, and then I'm gonna strap it. I'm gonna put a strap right here and run it on the side right here. So I'm gonna take out this light and connect these two wires on the park light. And after that, that's it. It's done. Alright guys, so like I said, I run it here and I poke a hole right there, and I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can. Right there, a poker will come through there and run it right here all the way. I take out the light and I tap it in. I just tap it in this park light right here. So this is the park light on the side right here. So I just tap it in that, and that's it. That's it right there. See it right there. So let me put back the light back in and finish up this video. And just like that, guys, it's complete. Yeah, let me know how you guys like it. Comment down below, let me know. So guys, it's definitely give this old girl some, I think maybe like 8 years younger, boy. 5 years younger, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, maybe 5 years, yeah. Definitely give this girl like 5 years younger, man. So yeah, that's it, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But watch the video, comment, subscribe. And guys, until next time, tomorrow morning I'm gonna what I show you, I'm gonna get those bolts and put it in, but that's it. Until next time, guys, peace and love each other, be safe out there, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you on another one. Peace.